begin in the name of God, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today we have to start with exercise 3b. And yesterday we have learned about factorization of polynomials. And I taught you the easiest way to factorize this by taking common. Exercise 3b is based on the identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. The whole exercise is based on only on this formula. So we will apply this identity in questions of exercise 3b. Question is 25 divided by 4x square minus 1 upon 9 y square. As we know that 25 is a square of 5 and 4 is a square of 2. So we can write it as 5 by 2x square. If you open it, you will get x square. 5 square is 25 and 2 square is 4. Minus की जगह we will write minus. 1 upon 9 can be written as 1 upon 3 square. 1 upon 3 by whole square. Okay. Now this act as a and this one act as b. 5 upon 2x act as a square minus 1 upon 3y act as b square. So its answer is a plus b and a minus b. You will write formula in each and every question so that you will learn it by heart. So what is its answer? A plus b, a minus b. A is 5 by 2x plus b is 1 upon 3y. A minus b, A is 5 by 2x minus b is 1 upon 3y. Answer. Understood? 3 is not an square. Neither a cube is not an square of any number. So first of all, if you observe these two things, so you will observe that 3 is common. We will take out 3 as common. A cube b, a b cube. A b is also common in both. What is left now? 3 is gone. A is gone, so a square is left, b gone, out. Minus 243 में से 3 बाहर, you will get 81. A बाहर चला गया है, b भी गया है, क्यूब था, तो you will get b square. Now it is equals to 3ab, a square. 81 is a square of 9. Very good. You will write it as 9b square. A square minus b square. Again we will apply identity. The answer is 3ab. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b is 9b. And a minus b. This is your answer. Now question number 10. We will take 2a as common. A cube is here and 1a is here. So it is not a square. 2a we will take common. What is left? 4a chala gaya only. B square is left. Minus 9a square is left. Now if you observe these two terms, they both are square. B is the square of 2b whole square. Minus 9a square is the square of 3a whole square. A whole square means 3 का भी square और a का भी square. 3 square means 9, a square means a square. Understand? So you will write it in bracket and 2a as it is. Now we will apply identity. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. 2a into a plus b, a is 2b and b is minus 3a. 2b plus 3a. So your answer. Now in this question number 14, it is written in the form of a square and b square. This is your a. Two terms are there in a and one term is there in b. So a plus b, a minus b. A is 3a plus 5b. A plus formula का b is 2c. It is the square of 2c. a plus 5b. It is a minus b. Answer. Question number 17 is a square minus b square plus 2bc and minus c square. We will take minus as common, a square as it is, minus common ले लिया in this term, so you will get plus का b square. It will become 2bc minus का minus into minus you will get plus, और ये minus बाहर common में चला गया तो here again you are getting c square. If you observe this is a formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of a minus b whole square. So we can write b square minus 2bc plus c square as b minus c whole square. Minus की जगह minus, a square की जगह you will write a square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So its answer is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. b is b minus c. a minus b में आपको ध्यान रखना है क्योंकि if minus is out, when you open the bracket तो अंदर के साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं. Minus bc, a minus bc, it remains same, but when you multiply minus inside, here you will get a minus b plus c. This is an important step to multiply minus inside. बच्चे ज़्यादातर यही गलती करते हैं. तो when two terms are there, तो a plus b में तो साइन चेंज नहीं होता, प्लस ब्रैकेट के बाहर होता है, लेकिन जब माइनस होता है तो साइन मल्टीप्लाई होता है, तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है. Here minus c is written, here it will become plus c. b minus plus का है, here it is negative. This is your answer. Question number 21, a plus b whole cube minus a minus b. Again we will take out minus common. It will become a plus b. A minus into a is minus a, minus into b is minus b. Now a plus b, a plus b. We will take out a plus b common. Cube is written, a common ले लिया तो a plus b whole square is left. Minus a plus b common चला गया तो 1 is left. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. 1 can be written as 1 square. We will apply identity a plus b. This is my a plus b and a. This is my a minus b is 1. Answer. So today we have learnt about exercise 3b in which we have applied the identity a square minus b square. Next turn we will continue with this exercise. So you will solve till question number 21. Thank you.